Hello there, Felix here from Domino Chinese. You probably recognize me. Now, some things that you might not recognize is our new platform because it's new, and that's what I'm here to talk to you about today, and with a little offer as well at the end. Now, we have a new platform. That means optimized functions and everything looks wonderful. We've also got loads of new features that I'm sure you'll be enjoying very soon. However, I'd like to turn now to people who have not signed up to the platform just yet. What you guys can do is click the link in the description to this video here, whether it be above or below it. Click that little link here, and then you can go to the website, sign up for an account, and you'll be given a free month full access to everything. And that includes all the features, all the courses, all the videos, all of it. All you need to do is just make sure you click this little link over here. Make sure you're not already a user because then you can't use it. You need to use it when you sign up. That's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching again. 谢谢收看, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.